John owns a company that has long-term debts to its suppliers and employees. John understands that it's too late to save his company using the legal protection proceeding. Therefore, he decides that his company must file for insolvency. Anna's debts exceed €5,000 and she isn't able to pay them. Therefore, she wants to open an insolvency proceeding for a natural person. Both John and Anna have many questions regarding their further actions. They find answers to their questions in the Insolvency Control Service's website in the section titled Insolvency. They learn that in an insolvency proceeding, not only the debtor is involved, but also the court, creditors, and the insolvency administrator and the Insolvency Control Service. In addition, they find out that the insolvency administrator is not an employee of the Insolvency Control Service. The Insolvency Control Service supervises the activities of administrators, reviews filed complaints. Also, the Insolvency Control Service administers the Employees' Claims Guarantee Fund, calculates and covers claims filed by the insolvency company's employees. Furthermore, the Insolvency Control Service maintains the electronic insolvency accounting system. This system provides for an accessible, transparent, and effective insolvency proceeding. Whatever your role in an insolvency proceeding, be proactive and aware of your rights and obligations. Kate is employed by John's company. She hasn't received her salary. Kate understands that in the case of an employer's insolvency, the state has ensured that employees can receive their unpaid salary from the Employee Claims Guarantee Fund. The fund is comprised of resources gained from the Entrepreneurship Risk State Duty, which is paid monthly by the employer. Kate checks the insolvency register, where she finds out that her employer has an active insolvency proceeding and an administrator has been appointed in this proceeding. Now, Kate must file an employee's creditor claim to the administrator for her unpaid salary. The most convenient way for her to do it is by using the electronic insolvency accounting system. It's a unified information system where administrators keep their records and creditors can file their claims. Kate, as well as other creditors using the system, can access detailed information regarding the insolvency proceeding. If the administrator recognizes the employee's claim, he will further file it to the Insolvency Control Service. After making the necessary decision, the Insolvency Control Service will credit the awarded amount to Kate's account. If an employer who has been declared insolvent is indebted to you, act now. Already for 20 years, the Insolvency Control Service is an accessible, open, and modern state institution.